Good morning, my good people for outside day. Another edition for our favorite program, contributing the Onden Gumba house where people really understand what to be the meaning for that Trutun Gumba as they talk. All I want to say, Uben Service and Gumba that play the make witchcraft. Very on Gumba now for talk about problem for Cameroon. The one way it is hot with, the one way it is vet with, the one way it come like a good news. With Chakara and Tonton for see how if we seek for a solution. You stay with it for house you repeat the one way find for out for inside the one way you yiba for corner inside this Nungamen another na inside me one for Chakaram would they plenty today for give for Tonton Chakara to politician and they even talk about normal prayer where they did for inside study them say they come up for outside for some Chakara to then even men of God and too they don't take chair she don't all up them say they don't need for prophesy where did the Tonton go wrong and happen for inside our country like how it don't Tonton go for outside for consumer Rolando 90 button for Simon Asima I me na Kungo Saman. Masa Elvis Bob da ide for back camera for money for Simon Asiwa ide for proper. Make we first come back, do small get back. Look all that small story and we'll go for Chakara this morning time. How wait till we happen for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, to take carriage today when I start today morning go to Chakara and Tori. Roland press button. Make we take una go time for the other side from Bam and Enugu for talk about how in fact people say that the first time when they see farmers them come on the strike. Now only for Cameroon. Why farmers they strike for Kiki village for that side for Central region? For Sika say they accuse Oga Mayor and you. Say Ghana call them. They give them when they go say one cow they can't give them plenty money. Now so way Ghana call them now they don't get right for inside a village. Part them where they be auto-tone them for village. Wait till it happen they say this mommy they cry say they are found they con them with their beans them all their crops they work out for farm cow they come enter chop am you go report for mayor no you do nothing you report for Joe you do nothing. Now so they come out strike what can make my papa even when they come out instead when a guy now cause we go buy chain can't cover a cow for them no go chop the cow with them then easy come on go buy this why them can't put them then they want before night they want cow money time because they found the cow they want to not enter and the cow they work out without any guy now cover that side so they come on the strike for that one so we'll talk about that in morning time they will take we'll still start that for Central Region for talk about River Nachtigal way this so price for ferry it don't add in fact some cargo nearly sink for that side, for Sikaweti. For Sika say he come, he pay normal 3 times. Say well, like we no go take it 3 times again. Or God don't talk say na 5 tally. He say I don't get the 5 tally. And they carry plantain and they pay me how much? He want force for say me climb. Oh boy, man for ferry he put gear 1. Boom. Now so way ferry he ship go inside water. That man nearly do submelology. Now so when trouble will come because the ferry never go for before because if you go before that motor go sink, the motor never go for back, the last corner caterpillar drum or God you come and say no when I leave when I take it that 3,000 for you and next time A1 come in say you go pay na 5,000. But say the refer can't go now, it be them bridge they only add a price you want cross with small motor you need for pay 5 tally before you cross when a big money that's so for that side and take una to go so we'll take una to go for River Nachtigal for talk about that side and we'll go to for Central Region so for that side for Yaoundé for Ahala Kwata. Oh boy, lovers of whiskey, themselves them sabi. When you go to nightclub, you buy whiskey, you taste them, you hear the taste, it is different. You want to drink the very whiskey for that for different snack, you hear the taste, it is different. Any man they fabricate his own, the one they don't go catch them for some money room, he fabricate them, he get empty bottles them, he work out from some get pick bottles them, he get boys they depend they work out when put a feeling for start when they carry the bottle for go to them, the boy they carry and bring them. So Ministry for Trade for that side they don't do it. Go catch these people, they would color them, they go buy this local whiskey, them take this sachet whiskey, sometimes tonton put color, you get color, that other one then come back quiet, come back to sell for normal money, you buy and carry 6. So and so they give them catching for yard, even for little right. We say when Sabi say that thing where the tonton happen, but this time around they say Cameroon, again for change for inside in Nungamen, they will take una to even go from Konsamba for talk about Palava examination. Sep, idea like a first school for English section. 12-year-old boy from Konsamba take rope, hang am for a neck. They discover he will don't die the next day. How it happened? Thursday, he woke up say he so he go look exam. He go reach, he no see him. He no ever come back. The funny issue there, in Miami, they say 10 o'clock, they say, the one don't happen for Pekin. They tonton, they go sleep, say tomorrow morning, they continue. Some band, what tonton continue, don't see some Pekin, we don't have, the one go look and they see, now Jordan, 12 years old, we don't die for sick, I say, he don't fail exam for that. So we'll talk about them, for how you feel advice and Pekin. So when they say they blame the papa and mommy, so when they say they blame the papa and mommy, they tonton, treasure Pekin, the casting go say, they go give them casting go for if you fail, so when they talk for Pekin, if you fail, me, I don't see for the ass, other Pekin, I put in the part number 1, number 2, you don't go take that land. Pekin don't fail, you want to hang the hang. Who will go blame them? We go check out the told this morning time. They will take una two for talk about Ndunge Protestant Wasapita. They be there on strike. Oh boy, they want pass my power. 12 months, no salary. In fact, they go work 4 months. They give them 2 months. They give them 1 month. They work 6 months. They give them 2 months. Leave for 2 months. So that's why they don't join. Don't you take the last 4 months, even 1 month, it never come. They want join. Oh, it make 12 months. They come out carry plaque. We dey strike. Oh, we not pay our money. If we thief one tablet for one sapita, we not go take we go for K2 house. We not more pay we. Money there, ngang. What did happen? They say director they make a mago. Say in fact, director don't turn like a kunkuma. In fact, all thing na he. He won't go buy needle na he. If they want to buy collapse for Wasapita na he. In fact, they talk about decentralization. They say for that for Ndunge for hospital. Say you know they at all. So we go for Chakana. Why all this thing happen for inside this country? So then we'll take una to for talk about Tingwe Minister for Public Health. Mr. Malachi. You don't come make another. They say people for Wasapita far no. What happen? Oga Minister he announced for Lakatini Wasapita say they can't visit them for Friday. They say yes, so then glad. Then that worker instead of 1 time he come na 2 times worker. As he enter for night for Thursday, he disguise, take taxi, he go for Wasapita. Reach for gate. In fact, the way they treat he say wallahi tala he had me for inside kukup. He come on go for play, go see doctor. Doctor not they even drive himself. He come on go for pharmacy buy medicine. In fact, the way they talk for he say kai this one so in a sigma when get to sick, the man go die when he never win something. The next morning. He went out close for minister. He come for cover. When they come for receive the minister. He said, when I receive me now, yesterday I come for night. When I drive me, when I call me, they say, hey, who can that? They say, no, we take it for paying the fine. He start talk high with dress. In fact, and director not be peace for the king. In fact, because he been service the next day they will just sack in a second for work. All thing do we. Now that's for all go now hospital them. If the US Mr. Malachi they come for town, in fact, all money adjust. In fact, not tell na Kungusana. Don't enter that they should not call for minister. Say, minister, the office. If you want to come back, tell me. I tell me for back. You tell me when I take na road for your own. You take na in kind of road for any idea. All my beton don't give clap hand for that one. We each don't do for inside this one. Then pani fruni ndi. You see that they take a medicine. After when come on Wasapita, they can kidnap you from your house. But make 30 hours. In fact, but the first time they be kidnap you. If you know VIP chair, they even give something in the SIPAM. Give banana I come out, and by this time around, they show him maningwa. Pack a man our brushes and wound. And party they give me hungry, they give us 1 corn each chop. Say you never see that country for your life. And they give you condition, say 24 hours. Make it tell mayor, parliamentarians, senator them, tell me they pack their bag from Yaoundé, come back. How power do pass it? He not be ready for that 24 hours. They told that they told them in Zambia they country the worker. Say what we put them bed, you know. But as part talk so, parliamentarians they begin meeting no for your the run paper to Musiam. They begin to know men as they read for that time of parliament. Now so when Bibi Oga say this morning today, we go talk about extension for mandates for parliamentarians, how long they get for the top for chair. And again, we will talk about Palava Human Rights Commission, how he gave a worker for Cameroon. Itala. And the parliamentarians, they say, they don't take Upa, go for Bush, give them Kazingo. Say, we need to talk about Anglophone crisis. In fact, say, if they need to talk about Anglophone trouble this morning time, them, they don't be inside. Jean-Michel Nchou, you know, na kata man, he just take whistle. Now so they top pom the commotion. Now we do go. If we not call we back, we no go cash it down again. Any idea will come back for talk about all this what will happen for inside this country. Then Roland come back for Douala. Run for Nyala. Now run for Nyala this. Not a long contract. All man the tonton glad. But oh boy, you see you at the side of my eye. Do you want to be ashamed? If you see the kind man where the work your work, you go sabi how that work go there at the end. No be so, mu no talk again plenty. We'll come back for enter inside. Because people when they say they don't sabi whether to do come, they want put na quota or they want do na wait or the one you can greater robe motor the pass or na wait or na can work that. In fact, people are confused. But the one way for inside Douala here is the Wanda people them. Roland Pembo to go for road for Hopital General. If you come from side for Cité de Pamiers, na Yawa. You come from Pakuvita, na Logmop. How Sigman will go for Wasapita? When they talk of bigger Wasapita for Douala here, oh my gosh, go for Hopital General, they get to all farm machine. But how you go take a Sigman go for that Wasapita? Where road you know they road you don't block all. Taxman they say in fact we don't even want to run that road, we only sorry passenger them. So then the first winner fourth and for them who come another time to pay don't get the accident say no we'll go for Hopital General. They the fourth and fourth because na Sigman if not they see the road it be worse for inside Douala. In fact they see the one say it pass shame. It pass shame. If they talk about Palab and Damba, if any man enter Cameroon, you know say Oyibo in Sabi on say they look na internet, they say what will be the biggest Wasapita for Douala, they go say Hopital General. Usa road where they for carry Sigman go for the. Or Usa road Oyibo will carry for Cameroon, they say the biggest Wasapita, you don't get the road. This one, now the one we eat hot to plenty people. But any idea, we own not only for Tonton Chakara tool for talk about all these things it happen for inside this country. Roland, most of them for Douala. Palaba will scream license. A maker, policeman, move gun for Douala, say one shoot a civilian. How this thing happen? In fact, now the first time meet at the other one. They don't break motor. They ask you, Oga, can we see your car document? He said, no, wahala, no trouble. What do you want? They say, we want your categories and we want your insurance. What do you want to call and say, we scream license. The man he said, no problem. Nine this, he give up. Nine this, he give up. They say, okay, Oga, we want to see your contract for insurance where you make up. They say, Oga, me I don't been sabi that one. Now my contract I don't want to come because the way the man I would man way they make insurance. They say if you don't give me the insurance, this document will not go give you back. Yawa come out. Yawa don't come out. You see that motor where they struggle for water muscle. They control as them plus the kitu. They come on now, they say, Ben Skin, they don't kind of they support them and say, wow, we stand in ask contract. When I don't hang up, they don't say, when I can't ask insurance and we scream license. Why when they go for that? Now, so Ben Skin, they come out in their tents, they can't hold them, they put the say, yeah, why don't come out? They enter inside a motor, they control them with the policeman, they be there with them, they want go, Ben Skin, they say, when I don't go until when I give that man a car document. Now, so Kituna, a move gun for say, make it tonton for frighten, or kind of pray where they be tonton, near for block them for that side. Oh boy, or kind of pray say, hey, I did pay tax with money for say me they buy you the uniform. Pay tax with money for them they buy you the gun. With me, you catch him when you follow me. You take that gun, threaten me for public for town, you go shoot me. Or kind of put them, you go shoot me on a so where they tonton and threaten policeman run with your gun. He run go hide for army money back. Oh boy, he be in a shame no. Then time you don't hide for army money back, he put gun for back for a years, then now he call. Hello, I want to send them for. So put it never they threaten police them. Oh boy, that one put enough to look and say, they go say when I'm gonna go control everything, when I go ask extraordinary thing that people don't understand how this one it happened for inside Douala after we in governor. He be say as from the first number 1 day for July, you don't see another player say he move gun. He say no, you come on the motor, you come on, no come on. Okay, he say you move gun no, you go shoot me. You move gun no, you will shoot me. See, na policeman run. You shoot me no, you move gun no, you will shoot me. See, policeman run. Hey, policeman run. See, we don't move gun no. Run, see. You don't go hide for my back. Who gun? See, hey, see Cameroon. Now country for purple. The thank God the purple don't come back. At least you go give them catching for years for interview. Any people all man be tonton criticize this kind of action for work they go turn. No. For now, Natori, big Oga for Jikam, they don't hold Dogamen. They say I'm saying Yawade. Cameroon, it don't turn a dustbin for the world. And not be only for the world, Africa. What was thing for Guinea? They send an for Cameroon. Because you come for Cameroon, quality control no day, they now the price control, you get choco, you pass, you sell them anyhow, you sing house. After 1 year, they sing sarot, you boss, they don't care. Quality control, you be hard, it start collapse because zinc and iron will be fine. Oh, pipe, water don't have on board, but they can't take cable, they will connect and fine. In fact, she can't say this time around, they give for Tonton, for sea, Palava, this trouble, because Naidi kill the real big business people, them, their market. When you go for that side, you go buy Kaku, wait, now original one, you come back with them. In fact, man when he say he will come buy only small, then he go buy low for one plenty. Not that way enter will come. You go now for Kenkere say one buy cable. Then they show you original cable. They say this one now 18,500. You see the other one now 12,500. You see the other one now 4,000, 5,000. You give it 3,000 they take up. But they're the same size, the same quantity. You say you wonder why they leave me enter this country. So they should not talk about how they get for cancel one. I mean, governor too. It don't support them for them auditing them. It need to happen for inside the country. Now, so when custom them too, they do it. They should do work. You see, they catch these fake medicine them. They say the one they come by land, so one they come by air, so one they come by water. Even with fake granite oil, they can't say I ain't will catch up. You can't just not call it to the attack on the will catch up. But question when all come in, they go to ask them. When I catch and so yes, when I don't call, we don't come film. You're fine. What next? When I call we, they on the bottom. So they say after I go to pass my back door. In fact, man, I never been sabi because I never sit at the pass my back door on camera and they show them. They went empty room with dog. Now for talk the one way it don't happen. Then if they call them, we can film they destroy them. Nobody will come. But wait till it happen. Now with money, that when they destroy them, we don't come out. Go in region, they all come out Nigeria, don't come out go in region, Nigerian people then come back now, pour the total cash for inside country because na kako that way if we buy the original one, we for sell and make back our money and only the country go tonton the grow and all the one now because it is so they need to do better control and cost of any man is there for choco. More concern now gonna to also for that side for Bafia. Now so we delegate for transport, if we tonton work and do control, see boss. As you open that motor so, oh boy. Picking the shidon for inside motor, she don't even for chair and for floor. Then the papa picking up a motor like a sardine. Is anyone a campaign for Palava holiday, papa and mommy that they travel plenty for saving the total reduce small Palava accident. From say where why would I not only do a campaign? Why would I not to do the same control so me just remain? Because I only want to come up plenty so because police and gendarme they for road routine. I only for take their own way to put them for qua. Take and put them for qua. Any man in the tonton, any driver they do their own way, he correct and all the kind of so the tonton cause accident control. Any idea, countryman? Story they be plenty, but time it go short. Now the one in this way will be tonton pour out on top for some tonton see how we go check out for better way. If I say make I take my chair, I should don't want to say on a tonton sabi who dey for my man pikin and woman hand for some check out to read this morning time. Welcome back, my good people. Time for Chakara the Tori. We don't hear how country is the tonton worker. The one way the vex people, the one way the fight people, but anyhow they will all have same with tonton see how we Chakara and talk about all these kind of small things it happen for inside the country. If I say time not only for someone as Sabi to who is there for my corner and who don't take chase on for someone Chakara to read this morning time. For my woman, I got turn for trust alone for man of God. We eat too, so he don't take chase. They say you don't be an old man for us. But how you did this morning?
No, fine. I did trade salute for all country people the way they did for television now and they watch country meeting. We live in Gomba house, one knock to river country, the good one, the bad one, the ugly one, we dare never fix them.
How did you remember film the good, the bad, the ugly? So
yeah, they remember. If something no good, you go bad. If you not bad, you go ugly. So now so come Cameroon don't be.
Not so Cameroon don't be. So for your corner, we get the Bibi Ogato for Modena for that side. Don't take a chance. She don't matter time for. But oh, naturally you go be an evangelist. You take your seat for evangelist, or you go and go back for village.
You know, say evangelist are the best.
They have evangelist the best. Throw chair and go chair for village. You throw your chair for this side.
Men go chair when go chair they carry man go heaven.
Okay.
Because all these things over the troubles in heaven and earth.
Then I will stay for the ground.
No man no go stay. But at least when you come me, you come no place you go now find road.
Okay.
See me today as I talk small at the vex.
Waiting.
First of all, I don't lost my pa ngwaye tawe for one day.
For one day.
Yes, for the very 2 days ago.
Mm-hmm.
And the second vex. Not see what they happen for one.
Tongwa.
We get IDP there now. We don't come and flop with us from one. Because all man wrong one village wrong.
Yeah.
But Joe from Cambe don't get man too. Now wait till they happen for my we put it wrong.
But I can't want to change it again.
No be strength. No, even for wrong particular case because they put the gun. They talk say from there so they don't leave people there for north. They depart through Sabongari enter from that Muslim them. That they drive people that they cause terror. They join hand with the cause terror. Because put the road for them all come on. If you come around your own village, they can't have a dollar and not the heavy for put a banja.
Okay. So no idea your brother for that side? If you bad for one, be wrong over that side. You
go wrong over that side, my brother, but not easy. For that side, they bunch of sheep. One bag rice now at 22,500.
But for Douala, we are the same thing.
No, but at the top of Douala, shop that increase na pack that we used to buy 15,000.
Yes, for Douala 22,000, but for that side na 30,000 because one cube of soup for that side now 500, 600, 700.
There is no place like home. Home now home. No matter where they go for a village, go to Nimbu. She don't check for up. The one can do another go more time. She don't talk for side, talk for corner. They put a big board.
Okay.
So two at the turn as well. Me banana SGO for that side. Me see how I go. It doesn't matter. Me they put a come back with the house because no see. You put the pass police control. How they go come up from different place and set terror for another place. So they put the come up for their place run. It's not correct.
We don't hear a cry. We hope so the message we once on our side. We turn out opposite you. Okay, I don't know. I got you for Modena too. Don't take you. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Mr. Michael.
Yes. How body day?
Oh, fine. But today is my first time to come in this house.
Yeah, but you don't hear the thing. So how you don't hear the talk? So how you asking there for inside?
No.
All the things that happen for country.
No, this country is very bad, and we are struggling to make things change.
Okay. When I struggle for making them change.
Yes.
Okay, for your corner, we get Prophet Tumenta. You two, you don't take it here. If she don't say this morning, you two go more chakara to for talk about waiting, wait there for your belly, and the one way is she and say if you contribute for so many country, it change. Good morning, man of God.
Good morning, Papa. I really thank God for this morning for who gather. Wait till they vex my belly. No way man of God vex me. The country don't be bad. So we don't come today for see and say. Wait till they happen this country. I don't know. Even the whole people, they lock even plus men of God, they don't pass we. And the main now we need to go for villages again. They call the one we get for village. So I don't know whether the country is going now front or back. My village now I know if it go. Telephone call they children not come village. People that mommy they now you need to see them again.
They call you. They call you, but they tell you go keep them.
So that means
they say me you send money.
So the country don't go now bad. So at least I will talk to them. Me the government official where they never update. Me the hear we. If they know the hear to other people, me the hear we call who she don't fix the country. They don't believe for people. The people me they bring that men of God. They me then she don't because now we get the highest population for the Cameroon within inside churches. But now that they neglect we go on a different side. Make them bring we men of God them. More we should on the table. We'll talk the thing. We'll know politics. Some will study political science, but we'll bring up for the kingdom of God to go build the people who give the government idea because they don't short of idea. So they really invest, they don't short of idea and they don't neglect church. When a church people stand, they really attack plus churches, attack plus bishop, they lock plus bishop, then you correct?
Now the one way all man in Tonton Vex. For your corner, we can go Timothy. You don't come for that time. Baby or got to for that time with Donga man to me see this so you go more chakara to for talk about the one we eat. Mother Timothy, how from body?
No, better.
What's saya?
Sajam.
Bomba.
I just look at the people then all where they look for Canada English. The one there for Donga Mantung or Moaron, Banking or Babosan, all where they look me.
Yeah.
So the two ways I look for them say, we don't come for it, they don't pass we. If I say more talk because country don't go.
Country don't bad. What time is the last time we go back we go village?
Last be for village now for June now.
For June? You will what 2-3 weeks no the pass. At the village. People don't at the village. People in the house.
Every time they come they don't bat. You know they.
Yeah.
People they go and come now they take a helicopter. Me I will take money also I will take
helicopter.
For go.
Now even put up for inside Bui division now for same the trans sometimes the campaign and Trumbiami pass through Fumba. In fact, all man are started before for lane corner road bush through them. Hey, we don't go back to early man in life. Any other country will find them who enter for start Chakara Tori for talk about the thing the way in the hot way, even though farmers them for that side was central region from Bama and Enugu. Oh boy, you don't tell farmers they strike. If farmers they strike, it means your country don't bad. Why farmers they strike? They say authorities them for that side. They don't work in collaboration with the Ganako. It means the time with Ganako, you go sell one cow like a 300,000. And the guy say, "Oga, hold your own 500,000, 50,000, hold your own 50,000." That farmer then come to give you it. If he can give one bunch planting, you know this is the one. And all man the value money, forget that money. Sometimes you know, don't get value like a chop where you take up or put up for inside your belly. This woman they come out the strike go for jail office. Say me they try to and the woman that wants to be helped. For the they work for the past 3 years. Cow they enter a farm. Chop their crops them, you know if you go complain for no man because you want to go for this side you say okay I don't hear. You want to go this side you say I don't hear. I go call them one day I don't hear. I go call them. It don't end so. There was some villages them. Chief they stand up so come. If money one cow enter for money farm, destroy cow. In fact, chief they I know chief will be the way they don't see cow for Ghana for them. Give them for compensate man say if you don't get money for pay that money come and they chop them. Take one cow compensate but chief them for that side for Kiki village. In fact. Chief to I think the league mob, you just shouldn't quiet. Man of God, when you see this kind of thing where you don't go for extent way, we supposed to protect with farmers them. First because they chop them, even when they for the chop, they come for the royal areas them. And at the small money they send over the way they feel buy their one medicine, buy two something or for send their own picking for school, for them they turn on look be for inside town. But now, Ghana call them. They do, in fact they leave their cows and they walk away, no man only for back. The cow they do anything if you want time, chop it at them, if you go complain for no man. For say authorities now they chop for their pocket. Which you fit tell the authorities for that side concerning this kind of thing they happen so.
I go talk them and I don't always talk them. Corruption bad past cancer. Corruption bad past HIV. Thing they will fight them where we're not supposed to even fight them. Where if we treat the main thing, the other thing they will wear.
It go lost.
It go lost. Where you fight HIV, you fight cancer. Where you know they fight corruption. Then like I say you fight mami cow, picking cow. Where you know keep mami cow. Mami cow will constantly born. If a DO or a mayor go collect money for one Ganako for destroy a whole community chop, then that means that DO is not correct. That DO is not correct. If a DO go take money from maybe 50,000, they destroy chop for 10 million. That means the DO not correct because we calculate the proportion of chop way they lost some, which way they pay them for collect of their personal interest. That means that their personal life be important than a whole community. For me. Any man, if anything happen for Nigeria, Buhari don't talk some the big cattle ranch for all communities of Nigeria. Put the fight against them. Headsmen they keep of Nigeria because of security. They want create space for feed cow past human being. When human being lost value in the place of cow, that means that the man where he defend cow, he don't turn a cow.
Cow one light.
Yes. Because if they reduce chop for community, they kill a human being, make cow be alive. That means a cow don't get value past human being. That means the man will support cow. The man will support cow on a cow.
Okay.
The deal or the mayor will take money for defend cow on a cow.
Okay.
Because cow don't get value past human being.
May I go for this type of for the police and them? When I say how you see that kind of act will happen for that type of Kiki village. Waiting when I politician them because they say now when I always tonton at last when they don't vote when I over that kind of position now they tonton to commit that kind of crime them take money when I need to think about the population when they don't tonton vote even mayor say when the population vote you wait if you tell that mayor for that side.
I feel tell Cameroonians to say we don't respect law in this country.
We need respect law.
Yes.
Respect law.
That's the matter of the Cameroonians. Non-respect of law.
Yes. So now the problem is that
you know what to do. He cannot do it. Mayor know he cannot do it. Police army know nobody can do. You know, in the law say that if you want to make grow cow, you will build a close for cow.
Law to say well, it means they make more big fence for a cow.
Yes. Then you cannot put people to fight with their friend like that. It's the same thing in Northwest and Southwest. It's the same matter. We have to change. And that's why we are working every day to make Cameroonians know that if we cannot change, everybody will die.
If we not change, na for the yawa ego tonton como Rolando. Press button, make control take that two koro iron chop clean for see. This river Nachtigal, you know say that bridge no dey no. People they come for that side on Tuesday, so they go carry chop goat on Yaoundé way no day. Then they cross at through ferry, and sometimes the ferry is spoil. This can go so he hang inside water so. If he nearly sink. Why the man they only pay 3,000 for cross river Nachtigal? He one come they don't add price from 3,000 to 5,000. Why people they cry tell me they reduce price and reduce time only for cross that ferry for cross that water? They need to go add price and ask Adam. The man force for cross by force. The man to go ferry. He put gear one. He drag ferry for back. The man nearly is sink. Now people they don't enter ferry. They don't be blocked on top ferry. They want to stand for on the other side of the way. They don't ferry don't go for front. Ferry don't come back because if you go the motor sink, that's so trouble. They are like congratulations. So money they tongue. You know one pay no man fair. They must have to pay the money. And they pay carry person they pay me how much. But sometimes when you see this kind of thing, why would they expect me kako insect come on calm down? They add price. See? The time wasted, they call Caterpillar me, you can't tow ye. Then Joe just say no, when I can't take that 3 times for you make it cross with the planty. Because all the things so it make price for chop there and price for tin them, it don't go up because of transportation. Which if you talk when if you never that position.
You know when the up down spoil down to Morotin, the officials they don't fail from up, and I think that way they see how all it they happen for them because all man now when they give more power, it is for inside the power your own way by taking things from the other people they put inside your pocket. They exploit the other people, the fellow Cameroonians them because of small power they don't give. So that's why just how my job go more than just decide say no instead of 3 times they will start to pay 5 times. Man will not to lie the street here, the truck driver will not correct. Because we get them in a country where, but first of all, for this century, what are the 21st century we did? They go see the cross water ferry. It will not be a fair government. How they go the cross water ferry? They not be put a bridge over that place. If chop they come out for there, they go enter Yaoundé. Now run down the people prioritize the road, put bridge. So that means chop enter easily.
They can enter, feed people. Me hungry no day.
And because if they put bridge for there, people know they pay that money right 3,000. But they pay before for cross because they pay that 3,000. So he go add them for the price for the chop. Now the consumer go pay no be he the transporter.
No, not transporter because more add people increase the price now for transportation.
So now the thing that way they happen for this country, they see life become higher every day. See now as I told earlier, rice. The price they are only the kind of thing. People they don't make useless errors and they affect they put them down because they up there they get money. But you the common man you don't get the money for spend buy the thing them as they buy them. So when they increase the price then that's who they suffer. So now the kind that we talk and say wait. Either me that put them for only less for be responsible or me they leave power. It be very patriotic for say me own up say okay I don't try I don't fail. And for the player there, Mr. Manga, take a
continue.
Because I think the one go, no one man will go because all of them they plenty there that ban me they just score the pack.
So they go sweep the sweep.
They just go.
So they go do how Papo will take power. He sweep too.
He sweep the other go and put up down. Carry up go here and there put the carry and go. They get to for leave power. Meet up for the car take up because
they shoot them too.
Yes, they don't fit.
It means they will expect more bloodshed. Man of God.
For waiting.
If we get a change regime, we will expect much bloodshed like how time when people will take power, bloodshed be there, people will die, they talk of pull the attack.
Man not cut you. Human being get 3 cycles for your life.
Yes.
You reborn you like a pikin. You grow like a man. You old back down like pikin. Cameroon be ruled by pikin them. Because all their part they are brain they don't fail. I tell you the talk because when you don't grow, you don't old. They decide you chop back like a small pikin. And all our authorities them, they don't go back to small pikin level. Their brain they don't fail. We get young men there, they get vibrant brain from university, from different countries.
Oh, you talk about Papo, we don't take power.
Take power activity.
He be very handsome.
Now so most of them they don't go back to turn now pikin they rule. Jeremiah 3 talk say, curse is a nation whose ruler is a child. So we'll get trouble for this country because say we'll get they get physical size for man, but they get a brain for picking them. Make them come out. That batch don't pass. Make them come out.
Man of God. People be thinking about the whole man hand check up. Na small pikin wey dey go.
The whole who hand jigger for oh yeah, thankful.
You know say I'm
They
saying.
turn am again.
Thankful. Prophet Tumeta, when you see all this mago then so it happen for country. Well, like men of God, wait una dey see and say una need for contribute for say me come inside this yawa.
Now we get a lot of things that will contribute for come up for this, but I say the people that they at the head they need to give way this they go ahead. Now for them one give they go ahead, they don't go find again wrong people for can't go ahead. Now me and nobody say one court, you can't call me, it's me I can't run me I can't lead something.
Yeah.
But when I look correct people they be talk the truth, how would she done for here? I respect my big man for here, my big man that Apostle Valentine a big man.
Yeah.
We feel she done, we get ideas and I'm a small picking. But I'm a bishop, like very young. So I know we get ideas for know how we can develop the government, the country. But now when we come to ideas, so once they don't carry tight to put our we never tell wait we talk. So the country, we men of God, the way we not see here really, we stand by the truth. If we come together, we should done. We say church, we need this. The population for the country, then are inside church. And if they gather all men of God, not say they select all men of God, they should not one. Gather all the churches, we come to one. They talk. We feel sensitized to people them, who Christians them. Say where the country they bad. Okay, me all will do this. But the worst one again I say this side with the best I say the country now so work no day. Don't flop anglophone. All we day inside Douala. We don't get work. Prostitution don't turn past all we. Yeah, prostitution don't turn past all we. Picking the level street, work no day. If I don't drive for village, we not give we work for Douala because we come for work. No man go beg. We not make a meet people there plenty for street. Young get a ton of prostitution. We not give we work. We not give work. We not pack from the head. We not go down. We be ready for climb up and continue the country.
They be ready for climb up and control the country. But we will see how this other one for Yaoundé. As how Bibi Oga for Shika Ibi Chakara to talk say Cameroon, it don't turn a dustbin for Africa. Anything quality control in no day. And one of the things when you finish kill this country, when I see palava fake whiskey. This one, na for side, Yaoundé. Whiskey they make up for inside my room. In fact, you see GMB, Black Label, Clank and Bell, Shivas, Black or White. All the best brands that they drink for nightclub. Then they. The man they buy na the local fighter them he get the way they buy tonton am they get they work a pick bottle to them bring her inside house in lock am put am they call in a boss it is supply na for Bagimoto. Yes, it is supply work and supply from nightclub to nightclub to nightclub to nightclub. And most of the songs sometimes they even drink am. You go drink it with you hear they go block you for instance you say well my brother wetin dey happen you go drink for the one side you hear 10 different. Sometimes if you when you say the real one because all the things where you don't be used with some particular taste then when you go take the real one and say no this one is fake you start cause your man you and the master bring yawa say you say fake whiskey say I dey go drink for this nightclub for this snack and that place they sell na snacks and 100,000 50 20 30,000 them. But now, so other thing to where this ministry for straight, you don't know because for the last about 3 months, they don't catch all the fake with them. They catch you fake zing. We come up for Guinea, Equatorial Guinea. Low quality no be there. In fact, now that stuff from Gongoro so. You know they pass they enter for inside Yaoundé. Cameroon na dustbin. Anything they say go to Cameroon, you will sell. Cameroon they buy everything. Buy any shit, they go buy and chop. Because nobody need control. If you look most Cameroonians now, you tell man say go for shop, go buy your fish. Go for shop, go buy a new thing. Cameroon man will tell say, well, like that me I know go. I go for broken. I go buy the one. Why man not use that for 10, 15 years? Don't throw him. That one I'll show say he go take even 5 years before he die. Because you buy new one and then die so. You buy new one so then you make light smooth years you don't make poof. They say no we will die for broken. Means they will not turn a dustbin. Because of say quality control, all the one of the man of God. Oh, you see the kind of women, ministry now you don't struggle with the catch all the one them, but they catch an inside town. What did happen for borders them?
First and foremost, the plan where they control Jikam na Celestine Tawamba. I believe say they watch this program. All of us will be business people them, might also be servants of God. The quality control unit for inside a country within the borders them, it will not be very effective. Any dirty thing will enter for inside country. Now, once you get them, we wonder what our customs and first, whether they work for borders for country. Now, business people or now military people, because the custom man is more interested for collect which way they enter inside a pocket than which way they can poison the society. If you look for some certain countries, some of us get privilege to travel outside countries. Before you want to enter into a border for a country or you want to carry any product, you go either for seaport or for local entrances. You get serious machines where they control activities But for Cameroon, you're going to only airport. Where you want to go for there, you want to travel, they carry back, put them for there, check whether you carry cocaine. When you go for the kind like a throw away them, Benawuru them,
No go far, go for Chico Airport, Chico Seaport, that
once enter no machine no dey.
Go for Limbe, go for Idi now.
They can stand so for the present age, for the well. Military man, they can't stand me if you asking so. Well, why man then a scanner the way before you want enter into a country, you pass through the detect.
Yeah.
Our highest development of our airports. We'll get a small scanning machine for day. Where they will carry what is say move your belt, move your ring, move your watch, so on for day. For our borders them, this kind of Sabon Gari them, Cambe them, and Benawuru them, Tiko Limbe, you no get nothing. Now military man is schizo. Military man machine a scam. So why back to no go enter that country? Number 2, that kind of bidding motorway carry that kind of thing. It passed in half of borders.
Come from Guinea, go Equatorial Guinea, check out for Cameroon.
Now pin with the pocket them.
No.
So how you do pass but I mean say custom people over here, now business people them, not the military people them. So I think say
okay. Well, what if you talk Master Timothy for that fake
Mark conclude.
Yeah.
If you pay a customer 50,000 for 1 month like a salary, he see job for corner, but that way go give 300,000. My brother go deny him.
Who would deny?
Poor salary now they influence the bad entry of goods in this country. A policeman not be well paid, custom not be well paid. So if government give 200,000 for 1 month and then they see 600,000 for border, go live her.
One time self at the go because that the card.
Now whether the consumer head enter into the country, cut and come out. Recently we get some case for Southwest way, some small girl they cut it bobby, cut part them for the skin. That kind of thing the partner was I pass. Eh? Where they play is an man territory.
But Ali,
Money for polish.
okay, what do you think? Yeah, I am going to be with this father fake risk to the catch up for your own. We catch up for your own. So ministry don't turn the catch up, but we didn't sabi saying that we all over.
Yes, Mr. Mark is something they still bubble me for Bele. As that policeman where they see them move guns so.
Yeah. No, we come worry for this one time.
They not do nothing. Then for this fake whiskey them, nothing way. Now the government they live and they multiply and they grow.
Yeah.
And when you see for that thing, the thing don't enter. No, they don't catch that thing. Me they go now from custom to custom still catch people the way they don't leave that thing enter. But they know they do them.
Yeah.
When una not do them, so una they encourage say me still continue so.
Because they sample one man. In fact, the other one they will adjust.
Person, because that thing not enter. They take money, it enter. They take money. They give for go back, catch that people then me they see example.
You know if this if they begin on pass send me go thief.
More than impossible never Cameroonese.
Let me tell you some time will talk for pigeon because you don't have the grammar. Small Abu will come in. I don't hear that to that but don't want to come to the top of your corner. Block that pigeon. I mean the year fine.
I want to say this fried whiskey just because the father is too whole. In the family, when the father is too whole, any members of the family behave and do what he likes. Nobody can say stop. Yeah. And now everybody want to cut his own part.
Michael, when papa send pikin me go thief, you go report the pikin for who?
But you know me report Nangamboko go share bank no. I go carry Nangamboko say go tell share bank say Nangamboko don't move me phone. Go tell no leave am go sit go do.
We don't turn am in parables. Move enter we don't go land. If I don't want a big story time now. Plug button mo go konsamba. 12 years pikin. It take rope, put her for a neck. From outing, it shows say he hang. For sick I say, he don't fail this first school living certificate required say SEP. How it happen? And they be post them all over say he don't come out Thursday the picking come out say me go look in name for school see another don't pass how the exam. He go in no see name. He other brother see name they come out the clap why he no carry back again for house. They find it the whole that evening say why you don't go to cry that for say on I was sick with you. He don't pass go for instance of bush and they hang for under that plum tree. He take rope hang for a day, he die. Now Friday when they discover the die body, all man they cry. Prophet Tumenta, one of your Christians just call you, my son, don't just go hang. I don't know why, for sick I say fair exam. They go blame that the parents go no plenty papa the way. He dey start threatening pikin. That the right exam. If you fail, in fact, you get 10. Part of never you be fake after they give you 10, 20 for they will be fine. You are put on red. They threaten picking them, but now the picking don't fail. It go hang. Family member they cry. Who will go blame them for this situation?
No, I want to understand something. Being a man of God, we understand not everything we can accuse Mary. And spiritually, there are some forces. There's some forces in the way they feel cost you. You do something because me and you